Hello, Service Excellence students. In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to establish your Canvas course for Service Excellence. And the first thing that you're going to see is, if you haven't done so yet, I recommend that you go through the tutorial of the Introduction to Canvas if you're unfamiliar with Canvas and how to get into your course. This is a Service Excellence course that will be available to you when you are enrolled in the course. The first thing that you're going to know is that as an instructor, this course page has been customized to make it easier for you to navigate through the course. And what you'll find is the very first key or link that you will have is to your modules. Now your home page will probably come up automatically when you go into the course, and you'll notice that that is exactly the same as your modules page. Now for any Canvas course, we do recommend that you use your modules as your guide. It will be, and for your marketing courses, they are going to be structured on a week-to-week, module-to-module basis. And so going to modules is the really best bet to find out what do you need to accomplish for this week. So you'll notice under the module pages that we do have the introduction and welcome for you, an example of week 1 for you to look at as well. Most courses, most modules that you're going to see are going to be set up similarly, which means you're going to have the introduction to the module and what week that module is taking place. There's also going to be a learning guide that is established within each module, a presentation, which is going to be a PowerPoint presentation to guide you through this particular module, the TED Talk assignment. This is an optional assignment video. Any video that is optional for you to view, you'll see that it says optional. It then goes into your assignments. For this particular assignment, we're asking you to reflect on what customer service means to you. There's also a tutorial for how to use Spark, and then a tutorial on how to use YouTube and uploading any assignments that are there. So anything that your instructor wants you to look at or to view or says you should take a look at this because that'll be tagged as optional, it's important that you do so. And of course it'll say, and here's another assignment, Real World in Amazon, and you'll notice that this one is tagged for all. Because this course is a My Choice course, you will see that some assignments are online only assignments and some assignments that are in here are all. The reason that you're going to see online only is because if you as a student chooses the face-to-face option and you come to class, these pieces as the discussion questions and this organizational culture, these assignments are going to be formatted in a little different way, as well as this attracting and training employees in week 2. These 3 pieces here will be done in a face-to-face format together in class. Whereas the Real World FedEx is an assignment that all students will do. If you are taking the online choice of My Choice, you will then complete all assignments that say online only after this piece. In the face-to-face section, there is a possibility that this online only will change to an all, and your instructor will make sure that you know what courses what assignments you've completed face-to-face and what assignments that you will need to complete online. And that will be done on a weekly basis. If you have questions about the setup and what needs to be done each week, please see your instructor for that. The next major tool button that you're going to see in Canvas is going to be the syllabus tool. Your marketing instructors ask that you take time to go through the syllabus so you understand what the requirements are for the course. The next place that you're going to see is going to be grades. And of course, this is your go-to of checking to see what grades that you have, what grades are in, what assignments are missing to help you understand exactly where you are within the course itself. Note that if you are taking the course and you are in the My Choice version, doing the face-to-face version, some assignments will come up as missing for you, even though those assignments are not missing. So you'll notice in this particular test student, the assignment was submitted, they got their score out of how many of the score, but it still comes up as missing. And that's only because the instructor doesn't have a way to differentiate between face-to-face and online for the My Choice version. So you can check in with your instructor if you need to, but realize that it's going to be the score and the out of score that are going to be really important. You're also going to be seeing if there's any discussions, but again, your modules will take you to these discussions as well. But if you wanted to get a jump on seeing what some of the discussions would be in the future, you can definitely do that. But again, these discussion links will be in your modules. You can also see people within the discussions and within the Canvas piece, and the people are just going to be who are the other students and instructors that are in the class for this particular class. If you are wanting to create some collaborations, you can. Right now, students aren't authorized in this particular course to do it. We don't do a lot of collaboration online in it unless you choose so. There's also a chat ability, a smart evals ability, a follow discovery in case you needed to go and find more information about your text, and some net tutoring in case you're interested in net tutoring. I do not believe that there is any net tutoring for the Service Excellence course, but there could be net tutoring for some of your other courses that you have, and we do give you the link in that as well. So, thanks for taking a look at Canvas for this course. Again, if you have additional questions, you want to make sure that you check in with your instructor. Have a great day.